You want to promote Vyroq today, but you've got no logo, no banner, and definitely no time to write copy from scratch. That's exactly what marketing assets solves. Open marketing assets, and every ready-made piece shows up as its own card. A title, a short description, and its category right up top. Some cards carry ready copy, a full text block sitting right there. Like what you see? Hit copy, and it's instantly on your clipboard ready to paste into a post, a DM, or a newsletter, word for word. Other cards carry a file, a banner, a logo, a graphic. Click download, and it lands straight on your device. No editing, no resizing, just use it. No digging through folders, no messaging your contact for the latest file. Every card here is the current, approved version the moment you open the tab. Grab a few, pair them with your tracked link from the dashboard, and you've got a complete promotion, ready to publish in minutes, not hours. Nothing here yet? Check back soon. New assets land regularly. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card and a 14-day money-back guarantee.